Hello everyone, my name is Roslynn Porch and I'm an Assistant Director of Admissions at Ursuline College. For you, we've compiled several different videos to help you navigate the audience process of verification or request for additional documents. We know that this can seem very daunting, so we just wanted to make sure that we gave you some supplemental documents, instructions, in hopes that you would find it a little bit easier to navigate the process of verification. So let's talk three different forms that are usually almost always needed and included during the verification process for our families. These documents include the W-2 form, the tax transcripts, and the non-filer letters. So as you can see, I am already on the IRS.gov website. So as I mentioned, the first document that you will need is the W-2. The W-2 contains your wage information from the past year. If you've ever filed taxes, you would have used the W-2 form, which is the document that contains your wage information from that year. You can request the W-2 form. It usually comes from your employer. Sometimes it's in the online portal, sometimes it's paper form, but you usually can get that from your employee once those are released. Now, even if you've never had a W-2, it is very important that you still document your income from the past year and put that on the verification form that is requested from you by Ursuline. You can find more information about the verification on our YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube and search Ursuline College, there's a verification one-on-one video that would be extremely useful for you when filling out that verification form. Now, in regards to the W-2, if you have never seen what that looks like, IRS website under forms and instructions, if you search forms and instructions and you click on that, it will jump you to this page, and there are a list of different forms that you can request. If you select this form, it gives you a example of what the form should look like. So this is what the W-2 should look like. If you did not know, and you are able to find that there if you are looking for an example. So I mentioned three documents, so the other two are actually also found on the IRS.gov website. These are the tax transcripts and the non-filer letter. So again, under forms and instructions, search forms and instructions again, and then you're going to scroll down to the form 4506T and click the PDF. Once you hop to this page, as you can see, there's one form here, and you would need, for each document request, you would need to complete separate forms. So for example, you would need to complete one form for your tax transcript and then one form for your non-filer letter. These would have to be two separate completions of these documents and two separate submissions. After this point, you just really follow the directions on the page as to what you need to fill out based off of your unique family situation. And then you would submit that accordingly based off of the document completion. If you have any questions regarding the forms or filing the forms or the verification process, and you're needing more assistance, feel free to reach out to us at admissions@ursuline.edu. We really hope this video was helpful, and we thank you for watching.